In this short tutorial, you will learn how to easily sync your contacts on Telegram. Syncing your contacts will allow you to easily find and connect with your friends, family, and colleagues who are also using Telegram. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Telegram app and then tap on the Settings button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap Privacy and Security. Once you are on this page, scroll down to the bottom and tap Data Settings. So now you'll see the Sync Contacts option. Turn on to continuously sync contacts from this device with your account. To sync your contacts, simply toggle on this switch over here. And now the Telegram app will sync your contacts. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.